What's up, guys? My name is Shane French, and I'm the owner of Pristine Powerwash. When we arrive, we conduct an initial walk around with you, and we talk about the power washing process. And then it's time to work. If your gutters are clogged, we can clean those out too. If we're cleaning your roof, we take every precaution to ensure we do the best job we can for your home. And there's always boots on the ground to ensure that your lawn is protected from start to finish. Before we're done, we give your home a final rinse and then walk around with you to ensure your complete satisfaction with the job.